Okay, this next one is part of lesson 8. We're going to open the timeline 05 replace clip. And in this one, you noticed shot 4 is listed here twice. As we play over those, you'll see that they have an animation where they spin and spin out, and spin and spin out. So the reason we want to replace a clip in this one is because you've already created basically an animation on these clips. So if you look at effects control, you can see that there's some nice keyframes that have already been applied to this. And this does take some work and some time. So if you already have the animation that you like, and this is something you will get into in the next chapter, chapter 9 will cover it. But this is a reason for a replace clip versus like starting from scratch. So it wants us to find the clip that we're going to replace with it, but by the way that we're going to do this, we're going to keep all these keyframes that we have, which is pretty neat. All right, so it wants us to grab the boat replacement clip. So this one right here. So you can left click and drag it over to your timeline. And as you're hovering, it doesn't matter exactly where you are on shot 4, just somewhere on top of it with the pointer is fine. Also notice right now that the clip is significantly longer. So I've dropped this on the timeline. It's going to recover like all that stuff that's already there, and we'll lose just that little bit of space that we need. So we only want to replace the shot 4. So the next thing that you want to do is hold Option on your Mac or Alt on your keyboard while you're doing this. So when I hold that down, notice that big long kind of see-through clip has went away. Right now we're on top of this clip and this is where we want to be. So while I'm still holding Option or Alt, you let go with the left click on your mouse, and it now has put in that new clip here. It's taken on the animations that already existed, and it also trimmed the footage to the length of the clip that we're replacing. So this is a much faster, much easier way to replace footage and maintain some of the hard work that you guys have done. So when I play this clip, now the new one spins in and spins out. And then shot 4 is still there, of course, the second iteration of it. So nice, real easy clip replacement.